honest and very frank, I'm not a great singer, and I'm not a singer who learned singing. I mean, I learned when I was a kid, so I'm more of an instrumentalist. But I do sing because I sing what I feel. So I keep singing all my tunes, and when I compose on the piano and on the guitar and on the drums, so all the efforts that I put into composing a tune is becoming my practice. Otherwise, there is no time that I sit and warm up or practice for my singing. So that's my voice automatically gets warmed up like that. Not much. I just actually what happens is whenever I make a song, the basic track, the first track version, it's always in my voice so that the director exactly understands what I'm feeling as a composer. So that's what I also play to my singers also, so that they exactly understand what I want, and from there they can make it better. So that's the only purpose why I sing. And most of the times what happens is many times the directors and the heroes, they just listen to the song in my voice and they fall in love with it, and then they say, no, please keep it, please keep this only. And that's how all my the songs that are in my voice happened. Otherwise it's not an very it's not it was not a decided effort to keep my voice always. I wish I could, because Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson are my big gods, sir. Both of them have great voice, and Michael Jackson, though, you need not say. But yes, in a few songs, I try to sing like I said, Charusila, Swapna Bala, Yavanala, Prema Pantashala. That was exactly I composed like style, but I didn't sing that song. Though the original track sounds like that when I sang. Then I made another singer called Yazin. He sang it, and he really did a great job. So yes, sir. I don't mind copying his style while singing, but I don't think I can do justice to it. Not only on a day of recording, sir, I think generally it's very good for us to keep hydrating ourselves. So my mom makes sure, and she keeps calling now and then, did you drink water? Did you drink water? So, but I keep forgetting. I keep a bottle next to me, but I keep forgetting, and I keep composing and all. Then when my mom, oh my God, drink water, I say, yeah, I had water. But otherwise, yeah, whenever, as and when I remember, I keep drinking, sir. And I think that's very important in any which ways. That's a very good question. Actually, I have never thought of it, but I think yes, I think it matches. But actually, for most of the singers, the singing voice and the talking voice doesn't match. For most of the legendary singers that I've seen, also when they talk, it's different. When they sing, it's different. Other than a very few people, I don't know whether it's supposed to be that way or this way, but I think my singing voice and my talking voice are very easily identifiable, I guess. So many times I try to do that. I kind of like that style. And even I sometimes, depending on the song, style of the song, I also make my singers, try to imitate something like that, just to make it sound a little different. And a lot of singing instructions I give while making any singer sing, just to, experiment with the sound. Sometimes I will make it fat, make it round. As for example, if you want to sing, see the same song, Nachle, Nachle, Arma, Machle. It could be sung like, Nachle, Nachle, Arma, Machle. It could also be sung like that. So sometimes, you'll only know it while the recording is happening and when you're in front of the speakers listening to the singer from the microphone. So like that, yes, I've tried all that. Luckily, that didn't happen so far. My yes or no depends on how excited I am to, how the offer excites me. I mean, creatively. So when it creatively excites me, money really didn't matter. So, yeah. Yes, there is a song. There is a secret, I think, which nobody knows. I'm a huge fan of this song since my childhood, since the song came ever. Mustafa, Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa. Na, 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 na. So this song starts off on a very high note. I don't know, somehow, knowingly or unknowingly, I'm used to checking my voice with this song. Before I go to the microphone, in case I have a little doubt, is my voice cracking? Is it okay? Sometimes when you wake up, it's not, or sometimes because of the previous day's strain or less sleep, your voice might be a little cracking. So even before a show, if I want to check, I always, without my knowledge, I do that like And it was in Mustafa, Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa, da-na-na-na-na, Mustafa. And if it doesn't crack in that first phrase, then okay, my voice is fine. Hell yes, because the musical arrangement actually decides the mood of the song. Like I said previously, a tune is the soul of the song, but then the arrangement is a decoration. Like the arrangement decides in which mood the song is, whether it's rock and roll or whether it's jazz or whether it's whatever. So when you listen to the arrangement, your singing style and the feel of your singing changes. So definitely it is very, very important to listen to the arrangement of the song.